In this video, I'll guide you how to create thumbnail on Illustrator. So first of all, I'll go to the creator new. When I will click on the creator new, I will click on the recent. Okay, recent, saved, mobile, web, print, different things are given here. Yes, yes, and the recent one I will click. This is the customized setting. You can change your setting from here. So this is your width and this is your height, right? Width, this will be your width and this will be your height of your thumbnail, right? Or a YouTube video, you must should create 1280 pixels in width and 720 pixel in height. So it is a standard that is given for a YouTube thumbnail, for a YouTube video thumbnail, right? So I will click on the creator, right? I will click on the creator and it will create a page of 1280 and 720. Now I will go on this rectangular box, right? This is your rectangular box. This is your rectangular box. I will go there and click. When I will click on the rectangular box, it will be selected from here to the bottom of your thumbnail. Yes, I have selected. No, I will change color of this thumbnail by my own will. I can adjust the color. I will click on this color and I will select it out, right? Now I will bring a picture, what type of picture I want to paste on this thumbnail. So first of all, I will go in file, then I will go in place, right? I think it will be here. Yes, it is here. So this is the picture that I have. So if you want to learn how to remove the background of the picture, I can guide you separately in a next video, but please mention in your comment in the comment box. Definitely I'll make more video for you how to remove background online or offline. I already have made a video about how to remove background in Illustrator. So I will how to remove background of your object online. It is quite easy and convenient. I definitely remove this background online, right? First I will click on type tool. I will write few things about earbud. Then I will go on characters, style of your writing. I will click on this and then I will select thoma, right? Then I will click on down drop arrow of regular and bold and I will click bold and I will select the font of my text 72, right? Then I will click here and I will remove existing. I will write here ear and then I will write earbud here, right? And I will change the color of earbud. This is the earbud, right? And now I want to move it above and I want to place this earbud here. Now I want to create an arrow. I want to create an arrow from earbud to this earbud. So what I will do? I will go in file, then I will go in place and place. I will click on one more image that is present here. Yes, arrow. This is the arrow which I have choose for this one. You can select properly this arrow. This is your earbud and you can write here properly and show arrow from earbud to toward this picture. So this is the easy way you can write and you can import image and export properly. Now I will go I want to export this image. So I will go in file and then I will go in export, then export as. Then I will change the name of this earbud, right? And then I will select the folder where I want to save. So export, then I will export. I select color mode RGB with the basic color mode. Quality, so its quality should be maximum, and then I will press on the OK. Don't want to change any sort of element here, and just I want to go on OK. It has created. Now I want to see is it created or not. I will double click on this picture, and you can see I have created this thumbnail. So it's very easy to create thumbnail in Illustrator. If you found my video helpful for you, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for more videos.